morning, crafters. Thank you for joining me today while I preview the March 2019 Spellbinders Kit of the Month, and the name of the kit is Relax and Enjoy. So unfortunately, I lost my previously filmed footage of the intro. So I am just going to show you this beautiful picture that details all of the kit contents, and then I'm just doing this quick little voiceover. So again, I apologize for doing things a little differently, but I just needed to get this video up and running. So thank you so much. Please sit back and relax and watch as I go through the kit contents. And here is what the Spellbinders kit looks like on the inside. So I will move the box, and for space sake, I am filming this a little bit differently, so we'll see how it goes. If you don't like it, please leave a gentle comment down below this video and just tell me, you know, it was a little hard to see, or I didn't care for the angle. You know, just let me know if you would prefer me to go back to the usual way. I'm using a tripod, but I only have so much space, and it's a little awkward, I know, but I'm trying. So let's see what we get. So here is your main card, which is going to detail everything that you get in your kit. And then it gives you 3 very beautiful card samples of what you can make. And then again on the back side, it's going to detail the die set that's included in your kit. So this is a beautiful set of very interactive dies. And you can see all the pieces plus what they look like cut out. Talks about assembly, some examples, and then recreating this card project. So very, very nice die set, and this set is called Relax and Enjoy. Then you're going to get, of course, your little foam squares and a roll of double-sided tape. So that's awesome because these are 2 extremely useful tools that all of us crafters use. I'm going to move aside my tissue. Oh my gosh. So of course you've got your 10 card blanks and 10 envelopes, and that'll come in every one of your kits. And then you've got some really cute little journaling cards, or just design elements. You can use these for anything that you would like. So let's see what we've got here. We've got floral and some tickets. We've got a journaling card and this nice little design. Here's a design here. The back side has a little sentiment. Here's a pretty floral wreath, which you can use. And then another sentiment on the back side. Another little floral piece here. Here's a nice little design with a bicycle. And then there's this last floral one. And some little coffee cups. So you get a nice selection of cards. So this is the Relax and Enjoy paper pad. And then you just see that the papers repeat. So really, really pretty paper pad. And then you get some nice stickers, and you'll have ones that are light and ones that have a brown background. And again, it's in that beautiful copper. And you get an entire sheet of these. Then you get just a little bit of a real pretty kind of copper, almost a coffee color sequence. And here is your nice little stamp set. This is the Relax and Enjoy stamp set. And again, you get a little terrarium, and you get a little cactus and a succulent and a little floral burst. Let's stick together. This is relax and enjoy your day. And then home is wherever I'm with you. And then this cute little plant pick that has a heart on it. That's very sweet. And then you get these beautiful butterflies. These are really pretty. They're vellum and they're dimensional, which you can see hopefully as I tip that. Very pretty butterflies, and you get 2 of each color. And then you have your pretty cardstock colors. You have a nice sky blue, and this beautiful kind of a cantaloupe color, a nice double-sided sheet of the copper mirror cardstock. Here's a very soft yellow-green. It's a very nice white, beautiful grass green, and black. And then again, these have that nice textured look to them. I don't know if that's coming across, but it has that canvas texture. So very beautiful cardstocks. And then you get this wonderful, very full embellishment pack. So this amazing collection of items is everything that you're going to get in your kit. And needless to say, there is plenty, plenty, plenty to keep you busy making cards and projects for a long, long time, which is one of the awesome things about these kits. So as I've mentioned before, I have the monthly kit where I get the card kit and I get the small die and the large die of the month. And I bundled all 3 of those items together, which gives me a special price. So when you go on the website, please take a look around, take a look at all the different kit options and pick the one that's just perfect for you. You don't want to feel like you have to overbuy. If you just want to do the small kit of the small die of the month, that's all you have to sign up for. And, you know, so you can very much customize a monthly subscription that fits you perfectly. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you had fun and are considering getting a kit for yourself. I will be back with more videos where I make some projects with these items, and I hope you'll join me then. In the meantime, have fun crafting wherever you are, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.